Hey guys, Justin here of Yugatech, and the Xiaomi 11T series is one of the most awaited lines from the brand for this year 2021. And finally, it's now available in the Philippines, so we're here to share our first impressions focusing on this vanilla Xiaomi 11T. Now this one shares the same display and camera configuration as the Pro model but packs a different chipset and a few more aspects for it to be an upper mid-range device. We made separate hands-on videos for the 11T Pro and the 11T Lite NE, so we'll put the links in the description box if you're interested. Alright, without any further ado, let's check out this Xiaomi 11T. So taking a look at what's inside the box, as we open it, we get the usual smaller box that contains the paperwork, jelly case, and a SIM ejector tool. And then we get the phone itself, and underneath that are your USB Type-C cable and this 67 watts power brick. And that's all of it. Focusing on the device now, the Xiaomi 11T is undeniably identical to the 11T Pro. We get a large device that isn't too thick, yet isn't too lightweight either at 203 grams. It's got a tough-looking design with a matte aluminum frame and curved glass back with a brushed metallic-like pattern underneath. Then there's some standard Xiaomi branding. Of course, you won't miss its camera module on the upper left that houses its triple rear cameras, LED flash, and rear microphone. It's still a protruding setup, but placing a case on evens out the camera bump. What we have is in the meteorite gray color, but there's also moonlight white and celestial blue color options available. Now, one of the things we like about it is that it's IP53 dust and water resistant, so a few accidental splashes won't be a problem. The downside of this glossy back though is how highly prone it is to smudges. Although it's easy to wipe, we still suggest putting a case on. For buttons and ports, the left side is bare, while on the right are the volume rocker and the power button that doubles as the fingerprint scanner. On top is a secondary microphone together with a speaker grill, then the bottom part is packed with the main loudspeaker, USB-C port, main microphone, and a dual SIM tray with no micro SD card slot. By the way, within the series, only the 11T Pro has speakers that are backed by Harman Kardon. So yeah, it's one of the trimmings we get. Moving on to display, we have a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED screen with slim bezels all around and a punch hole notch on the upper middle right below the call speaker. Nicely, there's a layer of Gorilla Glass Victus for protection together with a pre-installed screen protector on top. And as expected from Xiaomi, this display is ready with HDR10 Plus support, over 1 billion colors, and a peak brightness of 1000 nits. Not to mention that it also has a 120Hz refresh rate and a 480Hz touch sampling rate for a smooth navigating, or should I say gaming, experience. Well, we'll update you guys on that in our full review soon. Talk about its internals, unlike the Snapdragon 888 chipset on the Pro model, the Xiaomi 11T gets a MediaTek Dimensity 1200 Ultra accompanied with a Mali G77 MC9 GPU, 8GB of RAM, 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage, and MIUI 12.5 that's based on Android 11 for software. Battery-wise, we get a large 5000 mAh capacity with 67 watts fast charging tech. It might not be mind-blowing as the Xiaomi 11T Pro's 120 watts hypercharge, but 67 watts is still a lot faster than usual. When it comes to cameras, its triple rear shooters are composed of a 108MP wide-angle main, an 8MP ultra-wide, and a 5MP telemacro lens. Meanwhile, for selfies, it has a 16MP lens. We'll dive deeper into this department in our full review, but for now, take a look at a few sample photos that we got. So as of the creation of this video, we don't have the official local price yet for the Xiaomi 11T, but we'll surely update you guys in the description box and the comment section once it's available. Anyways, we'll be using this more as a daily driver in the next couple of days, so again, stay tuned for our full review. And yeah, that's it for now. Do let us know if you have some questions or thoughts about this Xiaomi 11T in the comments. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Justin, and don't forget to wash your hands and stay at home.